This 2023 Winnebago Solis 59P is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, skylight, smoke detector, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, LP detector, water heater, Colorado detector, spare tire kit, external shower, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Winnebago Solis 59P is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.